Hello, I'm Timothy Peterkin, Director of Academic Support at University of the Pacific, McGeorge School of Law. Today we're going to talk about a pre-law boot camp. This is designed for law students across the country to gain the competitive advantage when it relates to starting law school. As you probably can guess, law school is different from undergraduate courses or even master's degree programs, and it's helpful to have a running start. Our boot camp is in July of this year for incoming first-year students. During this week, we'll start with academic skill training, and that means we'll deal with case briefing, note-taking, and other skills that are unique for law school. After the first session, we'll then engage in a discussion of contracts, where we'll have classes throughout the week, you'll read cases, and we'll have a mock class in which you discuss the terms of an offer. The second portion of the boot camp allows you to have a property professor, Professor Haxgard, who will teach landlord-tenant law. And in this session, we will learn more about rules as it relates to tenant agreements. This boot camp is open to students all across the country who are entering in the fall of 2023. The third portion of the boot camp is related to hands-on training. And in this session, we will take the things you learn throughout the day and you'll get to work on those things. For example, you'll get to engage in editing a lease or engaging in a landlord-tenant hearing.